right, Tyler.
And in our third runs, this is where you've got to put it down. And Kier, during the break, you said a lot of guys are falling, yes, because of the weather, but also because the run that Sebastian Toutant put down is forcing everyone to just lay it all out, as we see Tyler Flanagan on course right now.
Yeah, as you said, I'm an Arrowhead, did the same thing last year. First run, he came out, laid down a hammer. Everyone just chased him the whole competition. And with the light being a factor, it's very difficult to throw those A-grade runs. But Tyler Flanagan putting one on right here. And the down payment has taken out at least 2/3 of our field.
Well, Flanagan currently in that second spot, hyped to podium, I'm sure, if he can hang in there, but definitely wanted to put it all out there and give Toutant a run for his money.